When it comes to commercial double doors, what happens before installation is just as important as how they perform on the job site, because even the highest quality door doesn't matter if it shows up damaged. That's why proper packaging and shipping of exterior steel double doors are critical, not just for protection, but for professionalism, project timelines, and customer confidence. At CDF, we treat every door like it's going into our own building, because delivery is part of the product experience.
Before any commercial double door packages leave the facility, they go through a detailed preparation process. Each exterior steel double door system is inspected for finish quality, alignment, and hardware placement before packaging even begins. Protective materials are then applied to prevent scratches, dents, or edge damage during handling. This includes reinforced wrapping, corner protection, and surface shielding because steel doors are strong, but they still need protection during transit.
One of our most vulnerable parts of commercial double doors during shipping is the frame and hardware system. That's why frames, hinges, and hardware are carefully secured and reinforced before every shipment. For exterior steel double doors with glass lite kits, glazing is protected with additional internal bracing and padded to prevent vibration damage. Even small components like panic bars, locks, thresholds, and hinges are stabilized to ensure nothing ships during transportation. The goal is simple. Everything arrives exactly how it left the facility with no damage.
Once fully protected, commercial double doors are securely palletized for shipping. Each unit is strapped, stabilized, and reinforced to prevent movement during loading and transit. For larger exterior steel double doors, additional bracing is used to maintain structural integrity across the entire shipment. Every pallet is designed for forklift handling, minimizing the risk of impact damage from loading, unloading, or transfer points. Because most damage doesn't happen in production, it happens in transit, and we design against that.
Before any shipment leaves, a final quality control check ensures that every single commercial double door order is properly secured and documented. This includes verifying packaging integrity, hardware protection, labeling, and configuration accuracy. CDF's process ensures that every set of exterior double doors meets the same standard, whether it's a single unit or a full building package. Because consistency in packaging is just as important as the consistency in the manufacturing.
At the end of the day, shipping doors isn't just logistics. It's part of delivering a complete professional experience. That's why commercial double door orders are packaged with care, precision, and accountability. From reinforced protection to secure palletization, every exterior steel double door shipment is handled to reduce risk and ensure it arrives ready for installation. At CDF, we believe quality doesn't stop at production. It continues all the way to your doorstep. Because when doors arrive undamaged, your project stays on schedule and your reputation stays protected.